One of the most accepted ideas in the theory of evolution is the Big Bang Theory. What is the Big Bang Theory? It is simply a theory for how the universe began. According to this theory, our universe began with an infinitely hot mass that was also extremely dense. This exploded into what our universe looks like today over the next 13.7 billion years. In reality, many evolutionists cringed at the thought that this might be an accepted theory. Why? Because it would require a miracle of extreme and impossible proportions. How so? Embracing the Big Bang Theory would indicate that there was both a starting point when matter was formed and an instant where time began. If we look at a fundamental law of physics, the First Law of Thermodynamics, we see an equation E equals mc squared. You have probably seen this on chalkboards in various movies. This equation tells us two things: that matter can be turned into energy or energy into matter, and these two cannot be destroyed. The energy and or matter will always exist. An example of this is an atomic bomb or a nuclear power plant. Matter is literally turned into energy that dissipates after the energy is released. Energy/mass can be turned into each other or be dispersed/dissipated, so that it is useless, but it can never be destroyed. There's just as much mass/energy as there has ever been in existence, just less available for use than in the past. And the big question is, where did the matter and energy that was previously non-existent come from? Did it appear out of nothing? The Big Bang Theory simply implies that there was a starting point, and all matter and energy came about at that time. This would be an incredible miracle, of course. And once again, a true miracle like this is not allowed for the theory of evolution. So we can certainly see why proponents of evolution were so concerned about the acceptance of this Big Bang Theory. So, it appears that evolutionists must choose between denying a law of science or believing another impossible miracle. Sir Fred Hoyle admitted that the problem was great. Quote, "I have little hesitation in saying that a sickly pall hangs over the Big Bang Theory. When a pattern of facts becomes set against a theory, experience shows that the theory rarely recovers." Scientist David Darling added his misgivings to the idea. What is a big deal? The biggest deal of all is how you get something out of nothing. First, there is nothing, then there is something. And the cosmologists try to bridge the two with a cosmic flutter, a tremor of uncertainty that sparks it all off. Then they are away, and before you know it, they have pulled 100 billion galaxies out of their quantum hats. End of quote. The Big Bang Theory sounds very scientific, but seems to run into a wall because of scientific laws. So far, it appears no known scientific fact has come to the rescue.